Hey Chalkers! It's February and we are so excited to show you this month's Club Couture. This month's design is a fresh transfer to inspire you all year long. The Go Confidently transfer is a modern boho styling that it fits perfectly on our 9x12 Odette or any other 9x12 surface, and is done in just a few simple steps. This month's Club Couture kit comes with everything you see here: the B-sized Go Confidently transfer and 3 paste single packets, black velvet, shimmer gold, and currant jam. I've gathered everything I need, so let's get going. The first thing I'm going to do is use my transfer trimmers to cut up my transfer along the provided cut lines. Next I'm going to fuzz, so starting with the arrow element, I'll remove the backer and place it sticky side down on our fuzzing cloth to pick up some lint and ease the adhesive on the new transfer. This helps a new transfer not be as sticky and avoid stretching your design. Now I'm going to place it on the top of our board. I'm making sure to smooth out my transfer and get it well pressed down so there are no wrinkles. Next I'll fuzz the Go Confidently element and place that as well. I'm putting it centered below the arrows and again smoothing it out and checking for any bumps. Now for the paste. I'm preparing my black velvet paste packet by kneading it and making sure it is well mixed. Then I'll tear open the packet and squeeze some into my color tray. I'll repeat those steps again with my currant jam and shimmer gold paste packet so that I'm ready to go on my project. And remember, feel free to add some water if your paste is looking a little dry. This is the perfect palette for a beautiful neutral project with a pop of color. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm loading up my mini squeegee with some black velvet paste and spreading it across the screen of my transfer, while avoiding the word direction. I'll be doing that part in currant jam. I'm making sure to get any excess paste off my screen, and I only need a thin layer of paste, so a little bit goes a long way. Next I'll load up a clean mini squeegee with currant jam and paste direction. Once I've gotten all the screen area covered and I've removed any excess paste, I'm ready to peel. I'm being careful to peel from the middle of the transfer to avoid stretching the design. Now I'm ready to paste the arrows. This is a bigger screen area, so I'm going to use a small squeegee. I'm loading it up with shimmer gold paste and applying it to the arrows and covering the whole design. I'll be repeating this element at the bottom of the surface as well, so I'm peeling the transfer and then quickly replacing it under the words. If you work fast, you won't have to wash this piece between uses. I'll load up my small squeegee once again with shimmer gold and paste the second set of arrows. This is our last peel, and it is looking so good. This project is so cute, and it's the perfect sentiment to inspire you to go after your dreams and make something beautiful. And don't forget to express yourself by customizing it with colors, design accents, and surfaces. Go confidently in the direction of your home decor with this month's Club Couture. Happy chalking!